Did you know that over 90% of legal professionals admit to feeling unprepared when first stepping into a courtroom? Imagine the stakes when critical legal proceedings hang in the balance of communication, strategy, and professional expertise. Organizations today face tremendous challenges in legal proceedings. Inadequate courtroom preparation can lead to devastating financial losses, reputational damage, and missed opportunities for favorable outcomes. Ineffective communication, poor witness preparation, and procedural missteps can transform potentially winnable cases into costly defeats. For individual legal professionals, the pressure is immense. The anxiety of presenting complex arguments, managing expert testimony, and navigating intricate judicial procedures can be overwhelming. Many talented professionals find themselves paralyzed by the high-stakes environment, unable to effectively represent their organization's interests. This comprehensive training program delivers a transformative solution. Participants will master advanced courtroom communication techniques, learn strategic procedural navigation, and develop robust expert witness preparation skills. The program provides immersive, practical training that bridges the gap between theoretical knowledge and real-world courtroom performance. By completing this training, organizations can expect significant improvements in legal team performance, reduced litigation risks, and more confident legal representation. Participants will gain enhanced communication skills, procedural expertise, and the psychological resilience needed to excel under pressure. This is your moment to elevate your legal capabilities. Do not let another critical proceeding pass without the skills that could make all the difference. Take action now. Transform your courtroom performance and become the legal professional who turns challenges into victories.